In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Trends for webinar topic ideas, fast and easy. We'll delve into the exciting world of Google Trends, a fantastic tool that will help you uncover trending topics in your industry and spark ideas for your next webinar. Whether you're new to Google Trends or simply want a refresher, this guide will take you step by step so you can efficiently mine trend data and tailor your content to what people really want to know. To get started, you'll first need to open up your web browser and search for Google Trends. Once you're on the search results page, look for the first link and click on it. Google Trends is a free tool, so you won't need to create an account or log in. From the main page, you'll see an option labeled Explore, and you'll want to go ahead and click on it. The next step is all about entering a broad topic or keyword that relates to your industry or audience. For instance, you might want to type digital marketing, cybersecurity, or remote work. These broad searches help to bring up a range of useful data. Just hit enter after typing in your chosen topic. Once you have your initial results, this is where things get interesting. To refine your search and zero in on what you really want, apply some filters. You can customize the location to your target region or country, adjust the time range to see trends over the past 12 months for steady insights or more recent spikes over the past 30 days. Don't forget to set the category to match your industry and choose the search type, whether it's web search, YouTube, or news, based on the format your webinar will take. Keep your eye on the interest over time graph. This visualization helps you spot topics with rising interest, which are prime candidates for webinars that aim to grab attention. Also, topics with stable interest make excellent evergreen webinar content. For further inspiration, scroll down to the Related Queries section. Here, you'll want to focus on the rising queries that can reveal hot subtopics or questions people are actively searching. For instance, within digital marketing, queries like AI in digital marketing or social media trends 2025 might pop up, suggesting specific webinar titles that resonate with what the audience wants. Don't miss the Related Topics section where you can explore broader themes or associated subjects, like content marketing or SEO trends. These can be invaluable for creating more focused sessions within a larger webinar topic. Finally, it's time to organize your findings. You'll find a download icon resembling an arrow that lets you export the data as a CSV file. This is a handy way to build a spreadsheet where you can list your topic keywords, note whether they're rising or top queries, and track interest trends. You'll quickly see which topics have the highest potential, enabling you to prioritize your webinar ideas based on what's in demand. And there you have it, a streamlined method to use Google Trends in crafting compelling webinar topics. Happy trending!